Alright. Solo commentating this. Lucas versus Game & Watch. Alright, so honestly have no idea how much like experience Glock has in this. I'm just gonna call him DVD. But his combo game is actually like insane. Probably one of the best like Game & Watch is at like comboing. He plays Game & Watch in Melee, so like it's no surprise that his Game & Watch in this game is like amazing. Yeah, Shadowhawke's gonna have to land like a nasty down air combo in order to make this back, which he almost does. I think he should have ended the combo with down air into up smash rather than like hoping that one of the stray hits landed into up smash. Alright, well he just gets down air up smash anyway. This is like, as has been demonstrated, this is like 100% winnable for Shadowhawke if he is able to get the down air. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, forward smash. He could have just landed that forward smash. Alright, no jump. Shadowhawke has like all the momentum right now. He could have just up smashed there, but instead decides to go for a safe dash attack. Oh, goes for a... Oh no. And he misses. And he dies, I think. I think this should be stock. Alright. Yeah, that was Shadowhawke's game. And then he kinda threw it. Hopefully that doesn't wear too much on Shadowhawke. Alright, FD. Interesting pick. Kinda similar to Smashville, just a little bit less escape options from combos, which is like the main, which I didn't really see as a problem. So I guess there's no real difference between this and Smashville, in this matchup at least. I never saw the platform really make a difference, other than like potentially extending Shadowhawke's combos. Down there, up smash. He could have landed the sweet spot. That was that's really sloppy, honestly, from Shadowhawke. Up throw, shield kill. Nope. Wow. And then he just lets it rip. You can't let those things rip because like those charges, you only get them like, it's really hard to find the time to get the charges. Yeah, that was a solid edge guard. So it looks like VVD's like kind of losing neutral, like rather often, but Shadowhawke's just not like capitalizing. Yeah, that's a grab. You should not nair the shield as Lucas. I don't know why that's like such a common thing. It's a very unsafe thing to do, and very rarely is it properly spaced. And I don't even think you can space nair. It's like inside the body. That was such a nice conversion by VVD. Oh wow, he's able to dodge, but oh, okay. He's able to get back. Again, I don't think VVD's like very well versed in this matchup, so the edge guarding might be a little rough on the edges. Another grab. Yeah, Shadowhawke's getting shield grabbed a lot.